Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to merge two files. So your first question might be, why would we need to have two files in the first place to merge? Well, sometimes when we're transferring a patient from one clinic to another, sometimes patients do want to go to a different clinic. In that event, sometimes it takes a little while for the transfer to occur. So the patient has already walked into the clinic in which they desire to change to. And so instead of waiting, the clinic will actually create a file for the patient. And then once the other file is transferred over from the previous clinic, at that point now we have two files. And so what we need to do at that point is merge them together. So we're going to use Vanessa Test as our test subject here to show you how to merge. And for the purposes of this example, Vanessa was switching from one clinic to another. And so now we have Vanessa in our system here twice. And so the way that we merge them is we simply click Setup and Options. You're going to go to Utilities. You're going to scroll down to where it says Primary and Secondary Patient ID. Now the important thing to remember here is that the primary patient ID should be the file ID number of the patient that has the most updated information. So let's assume that this one is the most updated information. We're simply going to double click, and that is the primary ID right here, VTT6718. And so now what we need to do is we need to find the ID of the second Vanessa Test file. So in order to do that, we're going to click Patients. We're going to find Vanessa in the system. And you'll notice here there's two of them. And so this is the other ID, VTT3936. So we're going to add this into the column, VTT3936. VTT3936. Okay, and now we're simply going to merge the files. A warning will come up saying this process cannot be reversed. Are you sure you want to merge these records? Just click OK. And now we have merged the two files. We'll close this out. Now if we search for Vanessa, you'll notice that there's only one file pops up. So that worked perfectly. Thank you very much.